Hello everyone, it's nice to see you all virtually again. And today we're meeting to proceed with the Canvas model of our project. Our project's name is Artlas and it's an online store that will contribute to structuring the work of the ladies crafters in the Atlas region. We're mainly helping those women flourish. And to start with the problem we're trying to solve, we're mainly focused on gender equity and women empowerment. And so we thought of two main problems these women face, which are the seasonality of their activities and also the lack of structure. So these women, which are the category we're targeting, are ladies crafters who live in the Atlas region. We're starting precisely from a region called Tarmir. It's not very far from Iran, as you can see in the map. And the women there, they live on making and selling carpets in a very unstructured way. So we're gonna be the intermediary between them and basically the whole country.
So hello, Professor. So I was charged to explain the current solution, the solution that those women find. So their current solution did not show any positive results. They brought products to a UI, which was the wrong strategy to use. Recently, they created a fundraise with an AUI club called Iceman, but the solution also failed. I was also charged to explain the proposed solution, or the solution that we found will be more useful or more useful. So our proposed solution is to create an online retail store to help increasing sales and help them to develop their customer base outside Iran by creating broader opportunities. So this website called Artlas will be launched at a national level, and especially for a segmented audience who are interested by our products. Thank you, Professor.
So thank you very much, Saad, for your presentation. I'll mainly be discussing the distinguishing traits of our brand. So why will these crafters, these women, choose our brand to represent them? Why will they choose our retail website rather than another retail website which has been in place for a much longer period? So here it's mainly about our image fitting with our identity. So we are not focused on the profits. We are more focused on the corporate social responsibility aspects of our business. We want these women to exceed in life, to excel, to be able to achieve economical and financial stability without having to actually seek the help of a man. So here we are really showing how much we care about our clients and our crafters by giving them the best rates possible. Usually retail stores give 60-40%, but we will be promising to give them much more, with a 70% rate to the crafts artist and 30% to our actual retail store. So then why might we fail? So here we're mainly talking about traditional crafts. Mainly older people are interested in such products. So maybe our strategy with our marketing, we will not be able to actually reach these people through the social media marketing strategies, even if they are indeed much cheaper than radio or television. So here we really have to have a really good marketing strategy to actually attract these people and to make them want to buy, or maybe add a more like a younger twist to our product to actually make our target market a much broader one and actually attract other people of different ages. So I will leave the floor to my teammate. Thank you very much.
So when asked will people buy into our solution, we think that people will buy into our solution because we did not just consider profitability when thinking about our project. We first detected a pain point, a problem that had to be solved. And we started from there. We tried to find a solution that is also going to be profitable. And also considering that they came up with solutions that did not end up being fruitful and that did not really work in the past, we think that we will be able to capture people's attention with a more innovative solution, but that still has that societal aspect to it. And how will potential stakeholders learn about your solutions? Well, the first step would be to identify the potential stakeholders that we want to target. And once we have our target stakeholders, the idea is to have direct communication with them. So we will try to have face-to-face conversations with them at an early stage of the project and explain to them how the project works. And that way we can build like a trust-based relationship with them.
Concerning the question, how will potential stakeholders implement our project? Let's take the bank as a stakeholder. We will make a contract of microcredits since they are known for this type of product like crafting and traditional ones. After receiving those microcredits, we will have an opportunity to invest more and have more high quality of products, then gaining more profits and enhance our product and our retail team. Other than that, we can, after identifying some other stakeholders, like some known brands of crafting or some not very known brands, but other than that, we can do some collaboration or being shown in an expo, in an international one or in a national one, and this type of implementation will increase our notoriety and also gain profits. Concerning the other question, which is about what we learn and how our mindset changed about this project, as a group, we were afraid of this project because we never thought about an idea that could benefit the city of Ifrane and the well-being of Ifrane. After carefully consideration, we came up with the idea of Artlas. And this, at the beginning, our group were not structured of the idea and how we will do it, but we were worried about how we will implement our projects. After that, we came up with some ideas, and at every stage, we changed our vision to the better.
Moving on to the next question, that was, what are your next action steps? Who do you still need to talk to, and what knowledge gaps still need to be filled? How can you test your assumption in the real world with limited time, money, and resources? Since we have already made an action plan, which basically consisted of a description of the problem, identification of the people who have this problem, their solutions, and how they failed, our proposed solution will be as next. The first one is step is to brainstorm who are our potential stakeholders, have an interest in its successful conclusion, then try to reach them and have a discussion with them to build a trust-based relationship. Third, we need to gather all of the concerned people who are considered by our project, gather them and run a discussion. The discussion will be mainly about their income, how our strategy will help them, etc. The fourth one was creating an online retail store called Artlas. So it will help us to show people our products and increase the brand awareness and create a customer relationship management. Finally, then we need to implement a marketing strategy to capture the attention of people who are interested by our products. Thank you.